Hello everyone, welcome back to Leytenia'S Kitchenette. I have here a chicken soup. Look at guys, I have a chicken soup. First, you have to clean your chicken with salt and vinegar and wash it with hot water and remove the excess fats, and then prepare your vegetables. First, you have to prepare your onions and garlic, and soak the garlic in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Soak the garlic and onions, then add the chicken, and then add seasonings like black pepper, garlic powder, paprika powder, chicken bouillon, and then add some water and cook the chicken and bring into boil until it is cooked. Then add some vegetables like potatoes. Look at here, I have here the potatoes. Then add the carrots and the green beans. Look at here, the chicken is very soft because I cooked this one in this pressure cooker. Look at this, so very yummy. This is a big chicken legs. Look, now it is very soft with mixed vegetable, potatoes, green beans, carrots, and I added this bell pepper, red and green, then with parsley leaves. So if you can add celery, if you have celery, then just add a little bit of salt if you want to be more salty. Not so salty, it depends on your taste. So this is a very yummy chicken tinola or chicken soup. This is Filipinos' favorite chicken soup. And I'm going to add more veges. This parsley leaves and more green celery, paprika and red paprika, because the paprika is very sweet. It will add the taste and aroma to your chicken soup. So this is my chicken soup, guys. And now I am also going to add 1 piece of green chili. This is my chicken tinola or chicken soup. Look at that. Look at this. With vegetables. And this will be served with plain rice, guys. And this is very, very healthy, very yummy, healthy diet food. So no need to eat rice if you are on diet. Just simply eat the chicken with vegetables, because there is already potatoes. Potatoes have already carbohydrates, and the carrots. Look at this. So if your cooking is very appetizing, very yummy, so you need unlimited rice for this. You see, it is not so oily because I already removed the excess fats from the chicken before I cook it. And then I wash it with vinegar and I scrub it with salt in order to remove the bacteria and the smell. because nowadays we are in the pandemic, so we need to clean very well our meat. So just wash it, remove the excess fats, scrub with salt, and soak into the vinegar first before you finalizing to wash it with hot water, in order to be sure your meat is free from virus. We just want to be sure that our food is free from germs, free from bacteria. Okay guys, so this is all about my chicken tinola or chicken soup. Look at this, yummy yummy. So you can add more vegetables like cabbage, spinach, kangkong, or whatever vegetables you wanna add to your chicken soup. But for me, because there is already potatoes and carrots, I just add some green beans and this parsley leaves to add the aroma and the taste. So this is all for today guys. Thank you for watching this premiere, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bon appetit and take care. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Evarestopoli, Mutbut Shukriya, Dankeschön. Terima kasih, Bidang Cici. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat pinuntaran. Merci beaucoup. Going gracias. Feeling down and shukran jasilan evarestopoli, buhut shukriya. Lami kayo ning akong tinuladay. Oh, nag-usok-usok pa sa kainit. Oh, kalami isipot sa sabaw. Oh, very lami kaayo. Mo ni ang favorite sa mga Bisaya. This is the favorite chicken soup from the Central Philippines. But not only for the Central Philippines, but the whole Philippines love the chicken soup. We call it chicken tinola. Tinolang manok. So in the Philippines, this is famous simple dish, and we add this one with the moringa leaves or the malunggay leaves. Masarap talaga pag ganito ang luto. So this is a chicken tinola or chicken soup prepared and cooked by the Leytenia'S Kitchenette. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.